ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Usembon Menteri Rangba jong ke jela ubak Preston tensong ulayada ya ke Tnat ki Pohïing jong ke Sarkar jela halor ke Jingkynoh jong ke All India Trinamool Congress ba ke Tlot jong ke Sengking atiar Hanyotrep National Liberation Council kala Tlot ban penpthai bom hadonu jong ke Sor Shalong kadai na kadau ke Tlot jong ke Tnat ki Pohïing. Kajingnya keren bat kilat pathai kubor hakalai terik ubnai rempang arajar arpuar uba Preston ula ong baka sorkar kamshim la shong klikti hanrei kala pet ngor ya kajing sha penthot ka shong sok shong san ha ki kinhon king atiar da ka bakem mardor ya ki breu ki badan kti ha ka ka kampen pathai bom IED kabala jia ha ka janmet jong ka lai pho terik ubnai kala lingkot arajar arpuar ha police bazar Shillong.
That statement again made by the spokesperson of the Aitc, I think he has to first see properly before he talk. If you say that we fail, as far as the Home Department is concerned, I think they have given the best in their services, and the proof is what? Now, immediately, they were able to nab even the culprit or the criminals or whoever involved in this type of blasting. So therefore, you see, you cannot say that the government has failed. We are pulling up our police forces, and we already given the instruction that all police personnel be alert and be ready for any eventuality, because we wanted to make sure that peace, tranquility is always there in the state of play. Means people, be it children, be it women, be it old people, they can walk freely, they can live freely, and they should not think that if I go to Police Bazaar or I go somewhere else in Shillong, I may not be able to come back home. So this is what we are doing, and I'm sure government will be able to do it, and I really appreciate the services made by the police force in the state. If the intelligence wing of the police force is weak, I don't think we'll be able to nab. But the intelligence wing is very strong and will make it stronger. So at any point of time, we'll make sure that citizens of the state in Meghalaya, they are safe totally from this kind of incidents. As I already said, see now the responsibility of each and every household is the parents. Because you see, the parental sharing is so important to each and every family. That's what I'm saying, especially those underage young boys. What happened was they can be easily misguided by anybody, by anyone. So my humble request to each and every family members, each and every parents, you need to also take the responsibility how to make sure that your children groom well in the right direction.